doing today? This is my 76 GMC Sierra or Chevy C10, whichever way you like them really. I still got it on a pretty damn good deal. I paid $1,200 and it was in running and driving shape when I got it. It was a 350 with the turbo 350. Not too bad of a setup. I mean, it's pretty sluggish even compared to the Toyota. It's probably not much. Probably about just as fast as the Toyota, if not a little slower, to be honest. Had 2 years with the truck now almost, and yeah, we'll cover everything I've actually got done to it because it's looking quite a bit better than it was when I first got it. Yeah, it came pretty much in this original state with the gray. The only things that I really added was I picked up a different cup holder, and then I had cleaned up this center console that my dad actually had a couple of years back. I threw a little short hub on it with one of my old steering wheels from the Toyota. And yeah, besides that, I haven't really done too much in there. It looked really good when I got it, actually. Your typical Chevy rust, you know, you can see the pavement through down there. And then my floorboard's got a big old hole in it, but I ain't too worried about that. I'll get to it when I do. But yeah, for a daily in the meantime, as the Toyota's been down, it has been doing great. There's some blue gauge lights in here too. And they look pretty freaking neat. Didn't really have to do a whole lot. It came pretty clean. The doors looked great when I got it. On the actual inside up here, there's not too much rust really. I mean, just some surface rust. Camper that I picked up has the window in the middle too, so I can open all the way up and through. That was one thing I was really excited about when I got the camper. But yeah, I guess we'll move back to the rear end here. Yeah, I picked up this camper probably like 35 miles out from my place, and it was free. I haven't had any issues with it leaking so far. I threw a little bed back here just to go camping and stuff, but I guess we'll go with these wheels real quick. So it does have some freaking meaty tires on the back here. I don't know if that's actually going to pick up that well, but these things are like probably a little over a foot. 295 50/15. And I guess now we get up to the engine bay. I mean, pretty dusty right now, but it's got brand new inner fenders. Had some brand new rocker covers thrown on there. It's got the ASV2 Edelbrock. And then, yeah, I don't know. It's like the frame on this truck is immaculate. There's really not much rust on the body of the truck. The cab's kind of got some cancer, but besides that, it's a really clean rig. We'll get on to all the problems with the truck that she gave me. I needed that one for the problems. Yeah, so when I bought the truck, I paid $1,200 for it, and I drove it home. It really didn't have like too many problems. There was a big dent in the rear quarter that I picked up a patch panel for, and I replaced on the passenger side, and then did brakes all around. The guy was having starter troubles. He was having a problem getting the right starter in it. And so what ended up happening is a handful of months after I had bought it, I had figured out that it wasn't actually starter issues and that what he was fighting was crank walk and the flex plate actually moving. And I only found that out because I busted off a nose cone. And I was like, yeah, something ain't fucking right here. But I mean, for $1,200 all around, this is like probably the best that I could have done. The rear end, it makes some funky noises here and there, but it's nothing too big. I think it's that pinion bearing on the differential. But I'm not too worried about anything right now. I've been daily driving it for pretty much since I got it. I got it and then my car went down, and since then I've been trying to paint my car. So yeah, I've been daily driving it for like almost 2 years, and it has given me very few problems besides that bottom end. I actually had a buddy come over, drank a bunch of beers, we cracked that shit out, and then my machinist actually ended up pretty much giving me a crank. He charged me $75, gave me a brand new crank that he had laying around his shop that he didn't need anymore. So yeah, no, I probably only had 300 or 400, I guess maybe 500 in that bottom end rebuild. But yeah, so anyways, this has been my $1,200 C10. I appreciate you guys watching. Till next time.